NewOrg Management System for Habitat for Humanity.
Build days are classified as events in NewOrg. To create a Build Day event, start by going to the Contacts tab. Then search for the site at which you wish to have your Build Day. To do this, underneath the Group drop-down, select Build Site. Then click Find. This search will generate a list of all the build sites stored in your organization. Then select the build site by clicking the link underneath Code. This will take you to the Contact View screen. On the Contact View screen, you can see information about the build site. You can also create a new event. To create a build day at this build site, go to the drop-down box and select Build Day. Then click New Event. Fill in the details about your build day. Remember to set the start and end time. If your build day has a defined start and end time, it is preferable that you use the start and end time field and not the length in minutes field. After you have finished filling in the pertinent details, save your event by clicking Save. After you have saved your event, you will be taken to the Event Edit screen. On this screen, you can further customize details concerning your event. From this screen, you can add contacts to this event, associate files with your event, and publish your Build Day event to an online calendar. Your online calendar will look something like this. This page has been customized by a NewOrg implementation specialist. Here you can see the date of the event, the name of the event, the time specifics for the event, and the details regarding the event. This page also allows for online registration. To publish your event to this online portal, you first click the Advanced tab. Then you set Allow Registration to Yes. You can set the number of max public attendees. If you don't want a limit to the number of volunteers, you can leave this field blank. Clicking Yes for the Show Map field will show a map regarding directions to your event. You can also elect to have your organizer information shown. The organizer is the primary contact associated with this event. Here you can input the pertinent details of your organizer. In the confirmation email, you can select a template. This template will be used to send a confirmation to all the volunteers who register for this build day. You can also elect to have a reminder email sent by selecting a template in the reminder email field. You can set the number of days in advance to send this reminder email. After your event is complete, you can also set to have an automatic email generated and sent to your volunteers. To set the number of days after the event to send the thank you letter, input the number here. Click Update in order to save your changes. After you click Update, you will notice new fields have appeared. The Restrict to Contacts field allows you to restrict your volunteers to specific groups in your NewOrg system. These groups are decided by you and your NewOrg implementation specialist. For example, let's say we wanted this build day to only be open to members of a specific church. To restrict the build day volunteers who register to members of the church, we would first set the number of max public attendees to 0. Then save our changes. Then we would search for the contact related to the church group. Click Find. This will generate a list of all your church groups in your database. To select a specific church, you would click the Add button next to their name. Here we will add the All Faiths United Church. After adding them, their name will appear under the selected contacts header. Next to their name, you can set the max attendees from this group that you wish to attend the build day. Click Update in order to save the changes. Now, when visitors go to your website and look for volunteer events, in specific build day events, they can click on your calendar and see a list of all the events. The event that we just created will start August 1st, 2016. Using the calendar, we can navigate to this day. You must enter a start in the from and a finish in the to in order for the search to work. Then click Search. Clicking Search generates a list of all the events occurring in this time range. On Monday, August 1st, 2016, you can see our event was created. You can also see that the event has been restricted to members of the All Faiths United Church group. There are 0 public slots available, with all the slots going to the Faith United Church group. This means when volunteers come to register for your event, and they log in order to register, they will have to be part of the All Faiths United Church group in order to successfully register. Going back to the Event Advanced tab, you can also set your event so that public attendees can volunteer along with members of a specific group. To do this, you simply indicate the number of public attendees that you wish to attend your build day. You must click Update in each section in order to save the changes for that section. Then, near the bottom of the screen, you can customize how many members of the All Faiths United Church you wish to attend your build day. Click Update in order to save your changes. Now you can see there will be 10 slots available to the general public, while in addition 5 slots will be available to only members of the All Faiths United Church. You should also note that NewOrg allows you to restrict build days to several groups. If we search for another church group by typing in their name under the Restrict to Contacts field and then clicking Find, we can also add them to the list of selected contacts. After their name appears, we input the number of attendees that we wish to have from their group. Then we click Update. Now, there will be 10 slots available to the general public, in addition to 5 slots available to only members of the All Faiths United Church group, and 10 slots available to members of the ADK Gamma Church group, which means for your event, you will have a total of 25 volunteers. Going back to the online calendar and hitting refresh in order to see our changes, we can now see that the event has been changed so that it is open to the general public, the All Faiths United Church group, and the ADK Gamma Church. To the right, you can see the specifics of the availability. Only 10 spots are available for the general public, 5 for the All Faiths United Church group, and 10 for the ADK Gamma Church slots. In order for the restriction of groups to work properly, you must assign the correct people to the proper groups. Your NewOrg implementation specialist will set up the groups for you. To learn more about how to assign and link people to a group, click the video on the right.